This is a tutorial on how to do a full.
First, you want to do a front flip. Then you want to do a front flip 180. Whichever way you turn for the front flip 180, go the opposite direction and then do a B twist. A B twist is basically a Webster 180. Turn another 90 degrees in the opposite direction, look over your shoulder, and when you do the B twist, it's a full. I hope this video helped anyone trying to learn a full. Please subscribe for more flips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.